I just got a notification that my packages from Walmart have just arrived. So excited to update my apartment and make it like cozy, give it those very warm vibes, but like in a minimalistic way, not like a literal way. So let's go home so I can update my apartment and show you what I got from Walmart. Miss me on this. What's up, sis? Welcome back to 86 Ambrosia with your girl Jen. If you're new here, well then it's just welcome. Thank you for checking out how I plan to update my luxury apartment to evoke some very cozy, some very holiday vibes without being super literal. A special thank you to Walmart for sponsoring this video. If you have been rocking out with your girl Jen, then you know I am a Walmart girly to my core. Now, since it is fall and Thanksgiving is right around the corner, you know right after Thanksgiving is Black Friday, and of course Walmart is participating like they always do. And one thing about Walmart is the app. I'm always telling you guys, get the app, because you can not only save big by shopping online, you can also sort of plan your cart out ahead of time so you can have an idea of what things you want to score during the November deals from Walmart. Down in the description box, I'm going to be giving you all of the links to all of the Walmart products that I have in my apartment that's currently available. So we'll circle back around to the vacuum cleaner, the Shark vacuum cleaner that I got from Walmart a little bit later on in the video. I want to give it an opportunity to charge up so I can show you how it performs, but let's actually start in the kitchen area. So the very first space that I enter when I walk into my apartment is the kitchen, and then this gorgeous marble island. I don't want to clutter this island with a bunch of fall decor. One reason being is, like I say, because I'm in an apartment and I don't have like an attic or a spare bedroom. I don't have a place to put a whole bunch of decor for fall and for Christmas. But now it's more about creating a feeling through the color scheme and creating a feeling through the way that my apartment smells. So one of my favorite elements in this space has to be this green vase. I love that it mimics the same style of the vase that I already had in this space. So when I saw it in the Walmart app, I went ahead and added it to my cart along with some other things that I'm going to share with you. But I think that just adding this pop of green and then having that faux tree that's in the background and then the green that you'll see a little bit later on in this video in my living room space, I think it just brings out that fall feeling perfectly. Now in my living room space, I'm not going to do too much because just about 2, maybe 3 months ago, I dropped the vlog for you guys showing you how I redid this entire space with this new coffee table. I have this new area rug, the paintings on the wall, the lamps, like everything in this space is practically brand new with the exception of the sofa. I had this sofa for a few months before I decided where I wanted to go with the decor. So what I'm just simply doing is changing out the books and once again adding a candle. I can just see myself sitting up on the sofa enjoying one of my favorite shows ever, burning just maybe 2 of the wicks in this candle and just really relaxing after a long day of teaching. And although I love what I do, I love teaching, I love relaxing more. If I'm honest with you, I love relaxing a whole lot more. Yeah, true tea. in the bathroom, one thing that I want to do is incorporate some elements that once again brings in that warmth factor without making this space too cluttered with decor. One thing that I love about a space is when it's functional, right? It's aesthetically pleasing, but it's functional at the same time. One thing that I went and picked up that I really like are these concrete dishes, and what I plan on doing with them is putting my tongue scrapers in one and my toothbrushes in the other, so that way they're off the counter there, and it just looks good and it just maintains a clean space, especially because this is a small counter compared to the one that I have in my home. So once again, I picked up a smaller candle. Now, I will say, I don't plan on lighting all of these candles at the same time. Let me make that clear. So it just depends on what mood I'm in. But if you can just visualize taking a nice hot shower and burning a one wick candle, oh my gosh. Now the TikTok girl has put me on, and I hate that I'm just discovering this, like literally, okay? So I also ordered some dried eucalyptus stems from Walmart, and when they came, I could just smell them because they were so fragrant. Well, now that I've added them to the shower, the release of the eucalyptus oil into the air just really opens up my respiratory system. The way that I breathe when I shower, the release that I feel I just can't even describe it. It's one of those things that you have to experience. And then I love how it fragrance this space. So I have that in my cart. It's something that I can just order from Walmart. I can either go pick it up or I can have it shipped to me. And that is so very convenient because, of course, you replace the stems about every 2 weeks, but I have to have them now in my shower. Like, I cannot be without these eucalyptus stems. I don't know if you're like me, but when I wash all of the linen that goes on my bed, and it's quite a lot, you'll see I use quite a lot of linen, I literally pile everything onto the bed, and I'm like, okay, I'll make my bed. I'll make it. I know some people make their beds as they go, but for me, I just wait till all of the linen is finished, washed, is cleaned, and then I start the process. I'm also not someone who irons their sheets. I know. Some people do that. They steam their sheets, but I actually pull my linen tight enough that it pulls the wrinkles out, and after maybe a day or two, there are virtually no wrinkles in my sheets. So that's how I like to attack that. Yes, I do love the aesthetic of like ironed sheets, but girl, I just don't have that kind of time, and that's just for real. Now, what is creating this warmth, this coziness for this fall season on this bed has to be this new duvet cover that I got from Walmart. I love this sage color because it plays on all of the greens that I have kind of sprinkled here and there throughout the apartment. I found that when I can't think of how I want to do my home decor, when you go back to colors that are found in nature, it actually makes choosing decor and style for your home or your apartment super easy. thing about your girl Jen, I am going to vacuum and make my bed every morning before I head out the door. It is a part of my rituals and routines because I love coming home to a very clean space. My new Shark Pet Pro just makes it perfect because it's cordless. I literally just grab it out of the closet. I go from room to room and it is such an amazing feeling. Also, it has this trigger on it where you can pull it for more power, and I like to use it on my carpeted areas because in my bedroom I typically use that space to sit and twist my hair, so it definitely gets up the little curlies that may shed as a result of me twisting my hair. Alright sis, so I just got home from school. I changed my clothes. I put on this really comfy robe because I am about to, as I have done for the past few days, enjoy this space. Like, from the fact that it's so clean, I love that all of the decor that I got for fall / winter time is just very minimal, but you can feel the vibes and the way that it looks and in the way that it smells. I'm just so excited. Like, there is nothing more gratifying than coming home after a long day of work, taking a nice hot shower, eating sushi. For me, I like sushi. And then hopping up on your sofa to catch up on your favorite show, but really while you scroll TikTok and Instagram. Like, that is like the life for me right now. I know it probably sounds boring, but sis, it is so soothing and it's so relaxing. So I thank you so much for rocking out with me as I shared with you how I updated my apartment in a very minimalistic way, featuring some new pieces that I got from Walmart. Don't forget that I have all of the information for Walmart's deal days down in the description box, along with links to all of the things that I've been purchasing from Walmart over the last few months, especially home decor, cleaning supplies, and also organizational tools to help me keep this apartment so super organized. Like, that is key. When you have a lot of things, it's important that you keep your things very organized. So thank you once again, Walmart, for sponsoring this video. And until I see you, sis, in my next vlog or video, I will see you in my next vlog or video. Bye, guys.